Holes 1 and 2 were abandoned, so hole 3 is the first hole we drilled at Monza in a maiden drilling campaign. And hole 3 confirms the continuity of the shallow high-grade copper gold porphyry mineralization at Monza. The hole specifically tested the eastern downplunge extensions to an older hole that we have called TMZ 0006, which was very useful, and we're very happy with this result. Well, Monza is currently a very attractive mineralized target. It was discovered by LinQ in 2008, and our chief geologist was part of the team that led the discovery at the time. Drilling has occurred at Monza, and this target has the potential to be a highly mineralized target. It's not yet a resource and does require a lot more drilling at this stage. It has had some excellent historical and exciting drill results, including a hole TMZ D001, which came out with 150 meters at 1.6 copper equivalent, including 12.7 meters at nearly 9% copper and 6 gram per ton gold from only 65 meters. An excellent result. Other holes, older holes, were 64 meters at 0.9 copper equivalent, plus some moly from only 72 meters, and another old hole, 51 meters at 0.7 copper equivalent, plus some moly from 287 meters, showing that the system is still going at depth. Just to put it in context, the Cadia mine, which is only about 25 kilometers from Orange in our Macquarie Arc district, a world-renowned porphyry copper gold district and Australia's largest underground mine, is only mining head grades of around 0.5 to 0.6 copper equivalent, and is currently mining at a depth of 2 kilometers deep. We are, by contrast, getting bonanza grades from some of our drilling near surface, demonstrating the potential for an open cut operation, which is how most of these copper gold porphyry mines started. We have multiple assays pending at Monza. We have drilled 8 holes, 1 assay received so far with 7 holes pending. We expect the remainder of these assay results next month and into early July. We believe Monza could be part of a broader mineralized zone with Estral, which is a resource, and it's only a kilometer south of Monza. Just to put the Gilmore Project in context, we have 3 areas, north, central, and south, within a 600 square meter tenement holding with a mineralized corridor of over 40 kilometers long. We have been drilling the southern and central zones at this stage only, and Monza forms part of the central zone only, which itself has 17 kilometers of mineralized strike, with at least 13 mineralized targets, including 3 JORC deposits. So these make up about 117 million tons in JORC resources in the central zone alone. The central zone does have a similar geological setting to Evolution Mining's North Parkes copper gold complex, which is located only about 150 kilometers to the north of us. We also have had excellent drilling in the southern zone over the last 6-7 months at both the dam deposit and at Gidjibang. Drilling at the dam has come up with at least 4 out of the first 5 holes drilled being in excess of 100 gram meter intersections at around a grade of 1 gram per ton gold equivalent, all relatively close to surface. Hole 5 at the dam came in recently with 114 meters at 1.19 grams per ton gold equivalent, another 100 gram meter intersection. which has now extended the higher grade gold and copper core to over 400 meters within a known mineralized strike of at least 1.2 kilometers. We have 9 holes at the dam pending assay results. Next steps, we are in a 30,000 meter drill campaign, which will likely take us another 18 months. We're focusing on drilling the central and southern zones at this stage and have a large number of mineralized targets to test. In addition, we're also likely to undertake some step-out drilling of some of the 5 JORC deposits within these 2 zones, the central and the southern zone, and that would hopefully give us a enlarged footprint and improve our classification of our resources at this point. So you could expect lots of news flow over the next 18 months.